This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp Rasta pasta. This incredible dish brings together tender shrimp, colorful bell peppers, and a rich, spicy jerk cream sauce for an unforgettable meal. We'll walk through each step, from preparing your pasta and vegetables to perfectly cooking the shrimp and crafting that irresistible sauce. Get ready to create a truly authentic Caribbean experience right in your own kitchen, using only the freshest ingredients for maximum flavor. First, let's get our foundation ready. Cook 16 ounces of your favorite pasta, like penne or fettuccine, according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. While that's cooking, heat a large skillet and sauté 1 cup each of vibrant red, yellow, and green bell peppers along with 1/2 cup of finely diced red onion. Once softened, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic for a fragrant, aromatic base that will elevate our dish. Next, we'll prepare our star protein and the incredible sauce. Sauté 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp for just 2 to 3 minutes until they turn beautifully pink and opaque. In another pan, whisk together 1 cup of rich heavy cream with 1/4 cup of your favorite jerk seasoning. Stir in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 1/4 cup of chicken broth to create a wonderfully creamy and flavorful sauce that truly defines this dish. Now for the grand finale. Combine your cooked pasta and sautéed vegetables with that luscious creamy jerk sauce, tossing gently until every strand is perfectly coated. Then, carefully fold in your perfectly cooked shrimp, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the vibrant pasta. To complete this masterpiece, garnish generously with fresh chopped parsley or cilantro. Serve immediately and enjoy this truly unforgettable, flavorful shrimp Rasta pasta experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.